Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting car reviews, feature breakdowns, and everything you need to know about the newest models hitting the road. If you're passionate about powerful machines and cutting-edge technology, make sure to subscribe right now so you never miss out on our exclusive content. Stay with us till the end for a full deep dive into what makes the 2026 Ford Mustang pickup a standout in its category. The 2026 Ford Mustang pickup brings a bold new look and aggressive stance to the pickup segment while blending the heritage of Mustang performance. Under the hood, it offers a range of engine options including a robust V8 with high displacement and thrilling horsepower figures that push the boundary of what a pickup can do. Depending on the configuration, this beast can deliver serious torque, making it both a head-turner and a workhorse. It is paired with either a smooth automatic or an engaging manual transmission, available with multiple gear options for optimal performance. When it comes to drive type, the Mustang pickup is likely available in rear-wheel drive for classic muscle feel or all-wheel drive for better traction and control, depending on the trim. The suspension system may include an advanced independent setup or sport-tuned variants that offer better handling, combined with adaptive shocks and precise rack and pinion steering for a responsive driving experience. Inside, the Mustang pickup surprises with its refined and performance-oriented cabin. It accommodates up to 5 passengers and is available with high-quality leather or premium cloth seats. Features such as heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a customizable digital dashboard add to the upscale feel. The exterior design follows a bold, muscular silhouette with an extended wheelbase, wide track, and signature Mustang-inspired front grille. Its dimensions are perfectly balanced to deliver both presence and functionality. Braking is equally impressive with large disc brakes and advanced electronic systems for quick stopping power. Safety is not compromised, with features like multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, blind spot monitoring, and more, ensuring peace of mind whether you're cruising through city streets or off the beaten path. Infotainment in the 2026 Mustang pickup includes a premium sound system, touchscreen display, integrated GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and possibly a head-up display to keep drivers informed without distraction. Other useful features such as cruise control, power windows and locks, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging add both convenience and modern appeal. Additional standout features include special edition packages with chrome accents, wood trim, high-performance upgrades, and limited-run design elements that make each variant unique. With notable updates to design, technology, and performance over previous models, the 2026 Ford Mustang pickup sets a new benchmark in performance pickups. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the 2026 Ford Mustang pickup. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and join the Auto Drive family. Don't forget to like, comment, and stay tuned for more high-performance insights.